Hey, what's going on? This is Mike with brandtheboss.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over the 5 online businesses to start in 2019. So stay right there. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into this thing. Now, if this is your first time to the channel here at Brand the Boss, we like to talk about all things make money online. That is affiliate marketing, digital marketing, network marketing, all of that good stuff. And we basically want to transition you from a beginner to a boss in your online business. So at any point, if you like the content, you find it valuable, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so that you can stay informed when we're dropping new videos. So let's go ahead and jump into this thing. All right. So business model number 5, subscription boxes. Now, what a subscription box is, it's a monthly service where you are mailing products in a box. So think about something like Dollar Shave Club or the wine samples that you might get, or even more related to online marketing, Tai Lopez and his mentor box, which is like he sends you like a few books and some other stuff every month, dealing with entrepreneurship and mindset and things like that. These are very good subscription models because they are reoccurring income. So if you have an X amount of customers that are subscribed to your box service, you're making money every single month. None of that one-time thing. And the best thing to actually do with this model is to find some niches that are untapped. So say, for example, a very, very open niche right now would be maybe the CBD market. I'm sure there are a lot of people who would pay a subscription service to try out different products. So there's an idea for you, okay? So let's jump over to the 4th one. All right, so here at the 4th one is local lead generation. What local lead generation is you're an expert in generating leads in like a pay-per-lead model. This is a model, business model that I actually started out with when I first really got into online, before my transition into affiliate marketing and things like that. I started off in local lead generation, and basically what that is, you're basically providing leads to local businesses in all different niches. So it could be dental, it could be like home repair services, or even the legal industry. For like attorneys and things like that. These companies are always looking for leads, and they're willing to pay you a good amount of money for each qualified lead. Now, every market is going to be different, so you'll have to do your research. So a good place to go to kind of get an understanding of what leads might cost in a specific industry would be something like Home Advisor, or there's another one that's just like Angie's List, things like that, because even though those are really focused on the home repair services, like roofing, plumbing, things like that, those are the very popular ones because those companies are always looking for leads. So that's a good place to start to get an understanding of lead costs. So let's move to the next one. So here at number 3, we're at social media marketing agency. Now, what that is you being an expert in running social media advertising campaigns for businesses and other entrepreneurs. Now, this is a good thing because a lot of businesses, they're very talented in what it is that they do, but they don't know anything about social media and generating leads and customers through social media itself. So if this happens to be a skill set of yours, then you can definitely tap into that and take advantage and offer your services to local businesses like dentists, things like that, or whatever. All you have to do is just set up a monthly retainer, And one of the best things about owning your own agency is you can have multiple clients at one time, paying you maybe a retainer of like what, $1,500, maybe $2,000 a month. And all you have to do is take a portion of that money and put it into advertising and generate leads for those companies. So number 2, e-commerce. Now, e-commerce is a very big thing. And so basically all you're doing is selling products online through a website or some sort of a platform. So think about maybe listing items or selling items on Amazon or eBay, or doing drop shipping. I did drop shipping years ago when before the market became very competitive when it came to e-commerce. And all I really did was I found items out in China that were, you know, like what I get. I was actually selling iPhone chargers, like charging cords when they switched up to a whole different model. And so I got the aftermarket stuff in China and I sold them here. And all I had to do was I made the sales and I had them either sent directly here, and then I moved from drop shipping because the time was too long. So I went ahead and actually purchased the products because the products didn't cost much. It was just a cord. So I just held my inventory here at home and I sold them online. And I made a very good profit doing using that model. So drop shipping and just listing on Amazon or eBay is a great thing to do. And then you can also have your own Shopify store. If you have actual inventory or different products, you know, whether it's clothing or jewelry or you know, phone cases, things like that. There's so much product out there that there's an endless supply of things that you can actually sell through an e-commerce method. The only drawback to e-commerce is it is very competitive. So it's not an issue to actually get your store up and running. It's being able to stand out and get in front of your customers. So it's definitely something that you would want to have some sort of startup capital for, to put into advertisement. And so whoever has the most money to advertise is usually the winner amongst that crowd, but it's definitely something to consider. So let's move to the number 1 and my favorite. Here we are at number 1 with affiliate marketing. Now, this is my absolute favorite. And all affiliate marketing really is you're promoting other people's products for a commission. That's it. And what I love about affiliate marketing is there's no overhead. You don't have to store stuff. You don't have to own an office or a building, pay rent anywhere. You don't need to have inventory. So you don't need to own your own products, and it's free to start. Now, of course, with any business that you're going to do, it's always best to have some sort of startup capital. But even if you didn't have any startup capital with affiliate marketing, you can still be successful even with $0. And it's definitely a wonderful business model, because all you're doing is taking other people's products and promoting them. And when people buy through, whether it's your link or your website, you get a kickback from it. So it can be as little as 2%, or it could be as much as 50%. And a good place to start off with doing affiliate marketing would be Amazon Associates or ClickBank. So I would definitely jump into that business model if you are fresh online and you don't really have any money to put into your business at all. It's definitely something to ease right on into and start to see some results quickly. So those are the 5 right there. Okay, those are the top 5 business models of 2019. And if you're looking to start your own online business, or you already have an online business and you're kind of struggling, or you've hit a plateau, then click the link that is in the description. All right, check that out. This is the same training system that showed me how to start my own online business. Click the button and you'll get a full explanation right there. Only if you're serious about growing your online business. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of the next video that I do drop. And again, I'm Mike Garvey Jr. with BrandTheBoss.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.